What's going on, guys? Chris and Koozie here. I started to open this box already, but I got some taillights for the S197. My hand's in the way. Why does it look like that? I don't know what's up with my camera right now. I also have this radio. I'm gonna make a separate video on this. I'm just gonna do the taillights first because it's 1,000 times easier to install and it'll be way quicker. That one is going to take some time. So I'm gonna unbox these and I'll show them off. These are the Raxiom Vector V2s. They're based off of the 2015 Mustang, 2015 style. Here's the instructions, which I don't really need, but you can see they are based off the 2015. This company actually did sponsor me after I purchased these, so I will have a code in the description for if you want to buy anything Raxiom. They sell their parts on 3 different websites. I forget the other 2, or no, I know 2 of them. I forget the third one. It's American Muscle and AmericanTrucks.com. If you use my code, you get like 5% off. I know it's not a lot, but I mean, 5% adds up when you buy something as expensive as these. So yeah, we'll jump into the install. I'll do one taillight at a time, so you guys, I mean obviously, but so you guys can see the difference, and then when it's fully on. All right, so there's like these 2 little guys on each end. I had it backwards, but yeah, on each end, and you just twist them off by hand, and they'll have 2 pop tabs here and here, right there and right there, that comes off. And then I think, yeah, it's an 11mm bolt for these 3 bolts, and obviously this harness and the taillight will just pop right out. That looks so much better than the candy canes. I'll go turn the lights on for you, or here, I can do it this way and then I'll show the sequentials. They're a lot brighter too, like noticeably brighter. Even though in person that looks dim, it still looks brighter than that side. So the new ones still retain the factory sequential. I thought they were gonna have the hazards, but I must still have to buy the harness for it. So, oh well, the harness is like 60 bucks. I'm not worried about it. I like how it's got that black exterior housing as well. Makes it look a lot better. It's kind of dark outside now. Started doing these pretty late, but those look so much better. And then let me go pop this bad boy in reverse. And they are bright as shit, but they look a lot better. I don't know how well you can see me, but I'll end up going and getting some videos and stuff on it tomorrow when it's sunlight out again, because I'm off for the weekend. I'll get these in the daylight so you guys can get a better picture of them, but now I'm gonna have to put everything back together, and then I'm gonna start on the radio.